Hello YouTubers, this is Bigfootbubba and Biscuit. Biscuit is trying to lick the remnants of Daddy's fat shake since Bigfootbubba's on a Bigfoot diet. Since working 17 hours a day put some weight on him. So I've got Biscuit to lick up the excess of Bubba's fat shake. Obviously we're in the mountains. I'm doing a subscriber appreciation video. We made it up here through the snowstorm. There's actually been 2 snowstorms. I'm so glad I'm here because I'm really going to share with you some beautiful snowfall scenery. Of course, there's never a vacation. There we are over here on YouTube working hard. But we thank you so much. You really keep me going. We're going to head down to Rosman and check on Miss Pat. I made a bunch of chicken soup. I'm going to take to Miss Pat and Miss Romaine down at Bob's place. And I'm going to check on Miss Betty Queen. She says the Bigfoot sales have been soaring. Come on, Daddy, I want to play in the snow. Get the lead out of your ass. Oh man, I cleared out this driveway yesterday and it's already freezing back up. That could be bad news. Alright friends, here we are. It's going to be increasingly difficult to video, so I'm going to just show you kind of what conditions the roads are in. I'm leaving my house, and of course the road that I have plowed for my house is now covered in snow, and it's only been snowing hard about 2 hours, so this is only going to get worse. I don't ever like to see that. But y'all should know where we are. We're at Miss Pat's store, and she's not answering her phone. She may have gone to stay with her godchildren. Maybe not. I'm gonna try to knock on the door, and if not, I'm gonna leave this chicken soup. She will find it. All right, there's her chicken soup. I know she'll get it, and it ain't like it's gonna spoil. I just would like to have seen her, and I know y'all would too. Even though she closed her stores, she still lives here, and we sure love Miss Pat. All right, Daddy, let's go. If Miss Pat's not here, I'm ready to go play in the snow. I'm gonna go take the movies in there, but I just carry them around in a grocery bag, and they want another dozen. They must have sold 100, I guess. I don't know, but I am so grateful to them for selling them here in the community in Rosman, and they keep flying off the shelves, which is awesome. It also kind of keeps some of the money in the community, and as you know, I donated the first 200 to Miss Romaine so we could get a tombstone for her son Timmy. And now I'm just trying to break even. So if you're anywhere in Western North Carolina, you can come to Miss Betty Queen's and buy you a DVD of the Bigfoot movie. Isn't that right, Biscuit? Whatever, Daddy. Or you can just look online at my MySpace or my YouTube, and there's a video telling you how to order one just from me. I'll send you one that day. Hey, hey.
Hey, how are you?
Are you staying warm?
Yeah.
I got your own bag of soup this time, so they can't take it from you. You're going to get your own.
I'll eat that.
I'm glad you will.
I'll eat that. How are you?
I am fine. I just want to get a little video of selling a video here. Look at that.
Yeah.
I'm so glad they're going. They're selling well.
Good. They're going good.
People buying this thing, and what are they telling you?
You'd be surprised
Really?
of how many that I sell and how much they brag about how good a movie it is. They really enjoy it.
They do.
They enjoy
Well, we sure do appreciate you and what you do here, and you enjoy that chicken soup. And if anybody's in Western Carolina, you know where to come.
Yeah.
Come to Miss Betty Queen's in Rosman. winner of the Best Narrative Feature for the New York Independent International Film Festival. Boy, we are proud. So that's it for now. Thank you, Miss Betty. Y'all stay very, very dry, and know that we love you.
We love you too.
Thank you. CLEMSONTIGERS. Fight, tigers. Fight, damn it. Fight, fight, fight. All right, whatever. I like it. Lord, I just had to get down there to take them some food while I could, and look what happened, guys and girls. We're having to get towed up the mountain to Bigfootbubba's house. Woo! Thank God for Joe Anderson. That's all I got to say. It's going to be right dicey, so Scatman Crothers signing out now on the way to the Overlook. Hey, Biscuit. Go, let's go. Beautiful hemlock trees covered in snow. I gotta stop taping because I'm gonna have to edit so much, but it's so beautiful. I'm just trying to share it with you guys, especially Mom and Dad. I wish they were up here. Alright guys, I am done with my first major snow video. It's been the most beautiful snow day I've had in so long, since years and years ago at Lake Tahoe. Anyway, I'm glad I was able to share it with you. I'm going to go ahead and edit it. Got to do so pretty quickly. I want to get this up online fast. I'd love for my mom and dad to see this because they weren't able to share this beautiful day with me. And I'm glad to be able to share it with you. Thank you for subscribing and supporting me and this channel. Like I've said, with 2 full-time jobs, your comments and support and motivation literally keep me going and allow me to spend the hundreds of hours on this site that I do. Please subscribe if you haven't. Keep watching. I'll upload my videos at least weekly to keep you entertained. I want to make you laugh. I want to make you think. And I want to make you happy. Because this movie has been so cathartic and happy for me on many levels. And I just like to share it. So I appreciate you giving me that opportunity. And have a great rest of your weekend. Keep warm and dry. And if you're a Yankee watching this, please forgive me. Because us Southerners don't get snowstorms like this very often. So we got to enjoy it while we can. Peace.